Hey guys, so today we are taking my dogs to the poodle parlor because they are very scruffy, as you can see. I don't have one of those little like folder things for, I don't have one of those like holder things for my phone, so I don't know how much I can video, but I'm gonna try to do as much as I can. Let's go. So guys, my dogs were meant to be there at 9 o'clock. That's in 2 minutes. So, oh, guys, there's the zebra from my previous video that we couldn't find. Hi, zebra. So, guys, I've got my. Oh my God, my dog followed. He followed me. Oh my gosh, Coda, you're such an idiot. Coda. Coda, what is wrong with you? This can't happen. Guys, why does this type of stuff? Coda. Oh my God. Okay, guys, this is not good. Coda, just sit. Behave. This is so weird. Coda. Oh my gosh. Like this. He has to come with now, right? Guys, this is a rental car. I don't know if he should be in it. We can always clean it. Okay guys, he has to come with. This is a really long robot. Okay guys, we're here. I just did the worst parallel parking of my life. Because the thing is, when I did my driver's test, I didn't think I'd ever have to parallel park. But turns out, you do. Like, it's decent and I'm literally going to be here for like a minute. I'm just taking these little guys inside. And I have to leave him in the car. Coda! I'm slightly worried he chews things, but it's fine. Guys, so I dropped my dogs at the parlor. They're gonna look so cute. Just wait, you're gonna die. Coda, he didn't chew anything. He was such a good dog. And guys, guess what? The parlor lady, she said she saw my video, my first one. I mean, crazy stuff, guys. Okay, it's not that crazy. I live in like the smallest town in the world. Okay guys, we made it alive. Coda is very eager to get out of this little car. Yeah. Hey, no, don't do that. No! Coda. Hey guys, so I have made a DIY phone holder for my car. And it's probably, yeah, no guys, it's really bad. It looks like it's gonna fall off and I'm gonna break my phone. We're gonna see once I start driving, but actually for now, it's pretty good. We are on our way to fetch my poodles. Don't worry, Coda has not come with. My dogs are ready in like 45 minutes. So we're gonna have like half an hour to buy some stuff, but I have no money. So I have a Clicks account, and on my Clicks card it says I have like 48 rand stuff to buy. So I'm gonna go there. I'm gonna ask them to check. so they can tell me, you know, how much money I have to spend, and then we're going to see what I can buy clicks for 48 rand. So, you know, that could be fun. Why am I drinking out of a Starbucks cup, you may ask? I thought it was going to look cool in my little vlog. And yeah, it's also easier to drive because you don't have to like open a bottle cap. Okay then, we should probably go. So when I watch other YouTubers and they always like vlogging in the car, it looks like it's really therapeutic because you kind of just say what's on your mind, you know, because you're concentrating on the road obviously, so you can't think too much about it. So that is my objective of today's vlog. Okay, so basically okay guys, now why am I can't think of anything. Oh, there's cricket going on. How boring. Sorry. Oh my gosh, why is the center so full? Oh my gosh, there's this like idiot that's like parked here. There's some idiot who's like parked in the road. Oh my gosh, well I'm not going that way.
Idiot. Excuse you.
Ooh, South African blood, natural blood. Guys, should I donate blood? I would donate blood, but I was in a malaria area. So I think that's, oh my gosh, there's these idiots. It's a stop street. It's fucking idiots. Oh my god, I want to leave. This is just insane. This is a mistake. Oh my god. Oh yay, parking. Thank you. Okay guys, so I'm here now at the center. I don't know how I'm going to film it, but I'm going to try film it for you guys. So okay guys, so basically I have a selfie stick I could use to vlog, but I'm not doing that. People will stare at me and chances are I'll see someone I know, so you're not doing that. Okay guys, oh my gosh, these people. Okay guys, there are actually some really cute things like mugs and stuff for like 50, like some of the stuff's like less than 50, other stuff's like half price. So I could totally, like, I love coffee and tea. Someone's walking around and you're gonna see me vlogging. I don't want that to happen. Is this meant for a vegan? I think so guys. Okay guys, I'm too scared to ask how much money is on my card, but also I'm scared there's nothing and then I'm looking around and like I don't have money, so let me ask. I'll be back. Hi, how are you? How are you? Fine, thanks. Do you mind just checking how much is on my card? Okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay guys, this is really difficult. Like every time I'm like looking for an aisle to myself to vlog because I don't want to vlog while people are around me, but it's getting really hard. Okay guys, so let's see what I can buy. Okay guys, there's like nothing to buy, but I've already looked in one aisle, so maybe I'll have better luck in the next aisle. Why is everything so expensive? So I could get this eyelash curler, but I have one, so no. What even is this? A pedicure file? Oh my gosh guys, this is useless. There's like nothing and I have to fetch my dog soon. I think this is the worst experience of my life. I can't buy anything. I actually need a new toothbrush. There are like no nice toothbrushes. I think I'm just gonna keep my toothbrush for longer. Like, I just wasted over like half an hour looking for something to buy and you won't actually fucking believe what I got. Guys, I'm trying to think what I should buy from Clicks. Like, I want to spend my money really well. I got this fucking cup because it was the only thing there that was like semi-decent that I could buy. And then I got this little earring thing because it was R5 on sale. Like I want to get something special and unique. But it was actually 43 Rand. So, you know, that was like a steal. Is it an earring? Is it a... Oh my god, those people are watching me speak to myself. Okay guys, fetching my dogs. Guys, my dogs look insanely cute. Leo! Leo, smile! I'll show you guys properly just now. Zara, look how fluffy you are! Look how fluffy, look at your fluff! Look at your fluff! Okay guys, so it's really hot now. It was cold, now it's hot. Anyway, we're dealing with the heat. I don't know if my aircon should be on for this. Probably not. It's pretty difficult with my dogs on my shoulder, so I'm just gonna... Okay, he doesn't want to go off my shoulder. He's like addicted to it so much. Okay, so I'm kind of curious to see what this is. Let's open it up. Is it like... Guys, I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna have to go look in the mirror and come back and show you. Okay guys, so I've literally, like, my earlobe has turned red from trying to like squish it on. Wow. I think it's meant to go somewhere like along your earlobe. Okay, so I'm not mad. It was R5 and guys, the cup was kind of cute, so it wasn't the worst day after all. I mean, yeah. So guys, I lost my earring. I was wearing it. I don't know when last I had it. And now I lost it. I'm kind of bummed. It was growing on me. So guys, I thought I lost my earring, but it turns out it just... Oh fuck, I think it's like stuck. Okay. Oosh. It was just... Ow. Just fell into my hair. I'm gonna try to get this out in the mirror. But yeah, not gone.